Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a canvas boot end on your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper. To start, we have wheels chocked, stabilizers down, and the bed pole supports underneath the beds. All right, for removal, we want to remove any curtain ties and then locate the canvas retainer clips. These are going to be found in the corners at the tracks. So here and here, and same on the opposite side. On the bottom, we'll find small screws in the track that are holding the canvas section to the lower tracks. Have a small bin tray ready and remove all of these fasteners. The canvas sections are typically zippered together. Next, we're going to unzip the bed boot from the windows. The canvas sections are held into the top tracks with arrowhead seal. We're going to be using a heat gun to heat that up and a pair of pliers to pull it loose from the metal channel. Release any Velcro and slide it out of the bed frame. And that's it. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Let's go ahead and finish the job. We'll insert the bottom of the canvas into the track again. Here's the bead that runs in this track. Time to install the arrowhead seal back into the top track. I'm going to heat it up a little bit again and press it in with my fingers. So we'll heat it up a little bit. It doesn't take much. And press it into the track. And we'll slide it into position. And we're missing the Velcro, or lift pockets, so let's go ahead and replace that. And there's one little small piece of arrowhead seal left here at the corners. There's that one. And that one. Zip our sections together. Now we'll reinstall our canvas retainers. Okay, it's a moment of truth. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. Put our curtain ties back on. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be alerted when new content is available. I will see you guys at the campground.